Okay, and that's why Yawada, Nakopon, they are saying, Nasenam, Yaviamunim, Yawada Drusia, na the Kumawood Entertainment Show, and real life, our Kumawood TV show. Showy, you have also crying now, also to adventure Abba and Sama. Abba now watching a fun entertainment home, and now yet the real life, our Kumawood TV show. And it also go to adventure a fat and text message line now at that screen so no. What the adventure ever back. Efa ensema ene yebeka eho na ene ensem na eba na edoso pa abejafo beba betrase na ya pense ensem no mu na abrepa mu no so no ye phone lines na tum na wonso wodi wadwenkyere e de aba live Kumawood Entertainment Show midi e de Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakus ene me na me di dwuma di eho chiame na Stone Boy enyom bi aba osi afra no putu na grofo kaka ho nsem mebre ama edikrase enyom no ye senseless just ensheda eni enyina so bia na Stone Boy edi aba ebetie enyom no na afei abodiafo ha se enyom no indeed se senseless yebehu senso aba wo mu ana se nyasasem wo mu a eno nso wonso a wo hweme no wonso behu na afi ye nyina ya jeje e wa ha o say I'm part of Rough Town Records but I don't belong to him when the she na e kasa asem we o say Rough Town Records there or you part of it or come on but on belong to Bullet enye na Japade the board enye na Japade name the management there on the managing no e be ko video na ensem okai na fe yenza betrase na ya bobo eho e wa ha we say so say lewen na o kana sem say still na no one funny face beef no e da so gina still na no beef no eda so ejinam ye beka ho asem e wa ha afei so Joyce Blessing and so say some gospel musicians are using juju against her or something and also e be video na afei and some okaya no ya he say I am pass gospel musicians ni bi wo ha omo use juju ana mo ko malam ho omo ko se be bosom ho koje aduro e de ye omo ankasa ho ana sesen and also ye beka ho asem wo live Kumawood Entertainment Show your main topic and ye person ye discuss pa say must the government help bring back the movie industry as I said government eboa ema ye de movie industry na yes egu no ese government dem na obaboa yen emesa de back anase individually no or say any na force wa esa de movie industry no back last week me interview bi oba no bi bisam say what is say ejako say ana ejako akasa wo say ye de onu mo back ebema movie industry no asan rise bi ayamba say ejako back movie industry no asan back ana say enye say ejako nko anemu government esi obem na obeboa ema movie industry no san back we any sense bebre na ye betra na ya discuss na wonso awofie no odo adwentre e de aba pepacho o test line na say test message line na say o de message faso and say WhatsApp line 0543 596070 0543 596070 mail fresh for text message and now WhatsApp e faso na kin kan enfamon uko YouTuber ubanya yo Sam Dakus TV bacho o like no subscribe no be kan busuano ho na ye nyina no ya hwede yakoso o man ho ana se uko Facebook Kumawood TV, Facebook Kumawood TV, and also kwa na and also watch edit my life Kumawood Entertainment Show. Abejafo abetrans na me betwa mo sima ba ku bia na me ba na fe ya the stories no abroad life Kumawood Entertainment Show. So me kai say I also shake your waist. I also season 2 audition no ya sha say gidi pa na we I one-on-one audition to ba na obey audition na oba na okọ because protocols ni na no ya observe na kama e wa ha oba ya mouse nose mask free ya the chill na fe so ya mawo aye audition no uwie a na ya makọ to say ebe audition ni na wi no na ya ma mu nyina ma ba na fe the show no ahihye so nti wo fi a entwen se o twen da we da dey abanya ho bia o debra oba Kumawood TV ha yo Kumasi awodo atenga junction oba ha ya be ya audition na yakopon ya kuma Saturday we from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Paso live amount for baba your audition to so bra na be shake your waist na won so achede bebre o ma won sa ebetini aka Kumawood Training Institute nso ababio last time na ye bi no manfo energy pa munya baby papa dai kama mo to na afi nso enema e chechire o no obitim bisa say enti enema mbobo so bebrebe biodigester 3D epoxy liquid soap shower gel any san no we nyina no obitim disa 3 days achire ni nyina and omoba no be mu sampa akwai de say de sabe wo ye nkwan na ya kira se sirisi ye nkwan na nkwan no yesifa tomatoes nyensa fa onion half fa we say fa we mako say na odi amix na odi nsu egu na ya nkwan no wa no za anya oda and say wa na nkwan ne de simple bit natural simple and nti bomade ya say our first number 0244294066 0244294066 ofra empanifo eno ebetwetwe enkomo na fe ehon bibia no what just 200 Ghana cedis 200 Ghana cedis pe na ode ba besua sansa na duma we nyina mitwa mo sima ba me ba na bedwafo so atenase na yabonche right, your science of a view, our Kumawood entertainment show, so also live, our Facebook, Kumawood TV, but you not all your comments or not, yes, what you can any amount. YouTube is where Sam Darkus TV, also wait me to comments I go up. Now I like or follow, am I? Now be answer to me, I so live. About your fortness, and stories no endorse by a bit of Stone Boy, Numbia or release here. Asset, a man for common sense, and you know, a baby ending, a baby ending, and no man, this time boys, no airport, nine crack. Say about woman as a bending. You correct Stone Boy, Numra. You could see him, you could see back, nothing about your phone so abundantly. Sapatapa ma putu, sapatapa ma pete. Allah walai. O pete. Stone Boy anyway, ma fosi ababi ani. Wanka. Okay, mama baja fora kwaba. Amaza ma kwaba.
Yenu asame.
Na bom ti say.
Christ adu no mpa body friends more blessings. Yes, we are doing good.
Yeah. Last week or two you said last 2 weeks on. Yeah, Bibi across the now quarantine.
Oh, not necessarily, but then we're also embarking on some other friends and trips to also make some little niche in our pocket. And basically, that was how it was.
Business.
Yes, and I know it is. My boss was also in town. My boss about town. Yeah, Sebo.
Okay.
The Zara man. Yes, yes. It's been in town. Yeah.
Okay.
I've known him for like 21 years.
Okay.
he's a personal person, and I called my godfather, and he was in town, so I had to also take him to 1 or 2 places to also make sure things will basically work.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
All right. I'm going to my main call forkless. Forkless.
I don't know why you always want to stress the forkless.
Forkless.
Yeah, I guess I'm stressing the forkless.
Yeah, forkless.
It's a kind of forkless. No,
that's it. Silence.
I just that.
Sammy is just trying to be mischievous. He's being mischievous. Sammy is just being mischievous. What's behind the scene? That man, now you can't think when you also say Kuma in Kenyan language, it means VJJ. It means VJJ, right? Until he could also say Kuma and just separate the wood. Oh, then just separate the wood. Then those also in that part of our direction, we also say, oh, okay, that's what you're trying to mean. You understand? But his fork, it's I pronunciation. You see the fork you know, you and I know is F.CK, right?
Yeah.
But with the song it's FOR.
No, there's no even R.
FOK, okay, fuck.
But the pronunciation is it not the same thing?
It might sound the same thing, but the meaning might be different.
Exactly. It sounds the same, but meaning different.
Forkless, as you heard to say.
Forkless, and so that Monday, and I support in us. Monday, we are
sharing process because many people were testing the same answer. I need your vote to.
Or did you want to vote?
Or maybe you vote or some vote, man. I'm saying the
no, what I said. Before your education, that's all. So the best started voting. Now the best started.
Where behind the scenes machinations?
Yeah.
Or piano said that.
It's all kind of say. Forkless about until you have me vote.
I'm sorry. They call Forkless Media app or Play Store. Forkless Media app or Play Store.
The last thing you see.
The batch of them. Very new one.
New one.
The future will be back.
Okay.
To go Forkless Media app now download one.
No, but your new one is a logo in the city.
New one, what's a old one logo here, red or green, and a background black. When you say red logo, it's about background and white. That's the difference.
Background.
I know. Background. Don't stress it.
It's a background.
Background. Black, old one, and a new one, air white. That is different. So, and I want to call it Focus Media app. But I Focus Media.
We know app more.
App, that's access. Okay. Focus Media app. And to download that. Now, I make picture of the regions, so-called local categories as the normal system now, last year, and there's some of unique code. The new code, they are said that I'm more. So,
public cannot end your code.
Public, no one that come up public now, who code.
Okay.
No, the issue is that the person will be at emotion. So with the code, no one can, and I want to already this one cannot be. Okay. It's the votes that remember from the code near Musa, all can was. It's no year board, no 30%. Yeah, some board no 30, and what you call the voters, 70. It's a winner vote from the coder. That means you said it on the radio.
Okay.
It's a 40 man then you have the board 30%. It's something. It's a idea about Monday,
and I be at 2.
Monday, 6 a.m. Just that's what I say. I got 29th of August, 5 p.m. 29th of August, 5 p.m. Almost 80% and almost singles, no flyers. But who are now there, they don't buy which one. So you'll be sharing. I'm not sure, most of those are this media power because of them who say, what is one of media partners? Say, Hannah, they are releasing.
Information we are only can release your answer
026 768
34 30.
If I take my number, on what may carry, I don't get result, so we're buying the wherefore, radio presenters are also Airbus, tonight, and it's always set at Focus Media also.
Okay.
I know what's again. The social media handles near Focus Media Production on Facebook. We call Focus Media Production on Facebook. And now YouTube to Focus TV. Focus TV on YouTube, please subscribe. And Oko is what do you call it? Instagram, so Focus TV at Akudo.com.
Right. Focus TV and as a Focus Media app called download it. Nafe, Bomode and say, also bet my vote. Free Monday Econ, there are contestants be a open assem. Red representative be open assem. They are nominating Okoa na why there. But vote man, I'm a baby and so to me akoso. You have a couple to ni pata, no one stone boy, and the abba. Na me ka say, open self follow me, TikTok also. At Samdakus, TikTok, follow me. Not like me videos there over here. And I make TikTok go say
they offer work up. They offer work up and run. Who Instagram, the tweet or messages, you know, say,
trending part.
Yes, it's trending, yes.
Yeah.
No, so it's a film about it.
Sanity.
And it is trending, so you need to be part of it.
Amazaba. Pata putu. I'm for say Olama Kyokra ne show so or no akra cassette senseless. Is it true?
That's his view.
Exactly. I like that.
That's Ola's view. And likewise, I could also say, I could also deduce this to the fact that there are a lot of interviews.
Yeah, my honest background.
You see, I could also deduce the fact that there are a lot of interviews Ola also does now, which are also in that context.
They're also useless. Yes,
Which are also in that.
I don't want us to attack.
No. We are discussing the issue. You brought up the issue. Then you said my brother Ola or our brother Ola have said that I'm a boy.
Yeah.
Which you see, let's also agree to this fact that say it's not every time now over problem man say you ought to make meaning.
Okay.
You see, you are brown, it's here no man.
It's from Oba.
It's from Oba. You are brown.
It's here rhythm.
It's here rhythm. Yeah, it is sa. You are brown so it's here no man. As I said, you say Jama. What I say? You see, the Bible has says there's time for everything. A time to die, a time to burn, and a time to burn, a time to die. Let's agree and accept this fact. You see, in as much as I do not agree with you, no, let's not use what we
have. When say music need boundaries.
No, it's dynamic.
Yes, but all kapata putu no, and a language is no. As I say, baby, it's a pata putu na okay kano. Obi atem the
no, for me.
But who what is our cancer need? No, I know what you be
So the question is Ola or does Ola understand that language a stone boy is using now? Maybe they won't say it's just one of those jargon that say one quarter, do you understand the way? Do it. Someone swear that one quarter. Okay. And now let's me say animo, ulese kenwoyi, animo.
That's the I'm crying.
Yes. Maybe say this is Momanenche, wouldn't dama my ball. What I say? You see, any Abibian and Serbius, I mean, like I said, never told you my own. You ought to make meaning. Stoneball over the years is known for clean songs without the friends and any friends this kind of friends and songs. What I say? But you see, let's also understand the fact that say, any Abibiana, he has to make meaning to you. You understand it? For America. Now you see situation one man go and check the account of songs that they play. Now yet already so it's just a minute it's senseless. And again, like we see Ola as one person. Ola is doing well, but there are a lot of Ola interviews and Masha, they are all sensational interviews. Sensational interviews to the extreme. So at one point, he was dragged and said he will be sent to court, so he had to go and apologize. Yeah. What's the American say? So someone also sits down and says, okay, fine. Does that mean that means that the kind of interview you also do, no, it is also meaningless. Me, I don't want to say senseless. It is meaningless. What I say, you are baby and because you pen semati, you pen no my mind between pon, a creative art between pon, a former PRO of friends, a 5-pack. I remember no between pon. This is not the kind of sensational stories that you need to review or you have to review. Me, I always say, in 2016, the run up to the 2016 election, 2015, we made a lot of noise in the creative arts sector. That's where some of us we belong. What I say?
Okay.
And I say, I share normal. First, both political parties, the main political parties, MDC, MPP, political parties, what we call the creative arts manifesto. There's a portion in the creative arts which actually speaks about cranium. I feel this is the time for us to start digesting, delving into that issue.
Yeah.
MDC manifesto on creative arts, MPP manifesto on creative arts, PPP manifesto on creative arts, CPP manifesto on creative arts, and let's see the best one.
Yeah.
Then we will rally around and say, among all the manifestos that we have seen, this is the one that we think, as creative art people, it is the best.
Okay.
And we do not have to sit to say, they will become stooges to these political parties who will come and pick us, give us 1,500 Ghana, 20,000, 10,000, and say that take it personally. After that, they are done with us.
We'll come to that.
No, till many don't fight them. I'm making my point. Okay. And these are some of the things that maybe some people say, when we say we will review now, we will look at it. What I said, Obiswa by that angle. Obiswa says, I have a stone by and you might have Bob, come, after a send away the other Obosan will say.
I said, or back, Johnny, Patapamula.
No, so what's it? Freedom. Freedom. They tell someone putu.
Akwaba, what's your say? Freedom, what's your say? But you're well, you are. Won't just say,
Sammy, I don't need to. If I'm doing music, I don't need to please you or please just my people alone. Music, they say, is dynamic. Now music is gone, everything's gone global. And so because I'm beginning, say me out, me go for a craving. I'm not necessarily just trying to say, I'm not speaking for Stoneboy, but I'm saying, and that baby and your mom, we will have to make meaning out of. Sometimes you need to go outside the box, and sometimes you need to sit down, do clean songs. Stoneboy, when was the last time I said Stoneboy born? I'll be criticizing Stoneboy apart from this. So you see, one born you say that, believe in me, we might not even have the opportunity, right? Like you're sitting here to be discussing him. So it's also another avenue for us to also delve deep into, or digest deep into what Stoneboy has done over the years, and see if whether he's doing good or he's doing bad. That's what I'm saying. But let's not Christian it as a what he's done. The song is senseless. Though it might not make that meaning, right? But believe in me, before you're born, you were dancing to the tune. Frank was dancing to the tune, and you were singing even behind. I'm sure even when you are in the bedroom with your wife, if you are not careful, that's the tune that I say be creating Moses. Moses say bando or kwandem.
No, I have been born and no.
That song was banned on radio. Rexoma is a friend saying, and we Rexoma I've forgotten the title. Yeah. That one was also banned on radio, right? See, I was signing new version or remixing. One will say, sir, kind of songs. And if I be one, so media but hypocrisy. And I say hypocritically, when they go into their bedrooms, then they will be playing the songs in there, comfortable with their spouses and their girlfriends and their boyfriends in there. Yeah. Until maybe there, for me, I'm not the kind who jump to this song, right? But there are people that maybe or the target audience for this particular song. Okay. I say, you need and you ought to have what we call a target audience. Maybe a target audience, Ola Michael doesn't fall in that category. Probably maybe I do not fall in that category. Or the targeting may probably maybe the DHS, the SHS, for the targeting. Let's leave him to do what he's doing.
Okay. Check Kumawood Entertainment Show. Now I live or Kumawood TV so. Say, and some I come away, say, Opposite I didn't be bad. Fafa or test message, and I said, or test line now at that screen is a test message now, and WhatsApp, but in the file, I'm not can 0543 596070 0543 596070. What if our yeah can kind the amount? Mammy call Frank so Stoneboy.
But first of all, let us estimate this cat because of sin.
Senseless.
Yes. And I don't know, it's part of 5-pack. He has been a 5-pack player before.
Yeah.
Does he understand the word creativity or creative arts?
Yeah.
So that word of creative art to create something. Does he understand it himself very well? Before all kinds of action. Besides that, did he understand the words of Blazola? These are French women from Mariana.
Zo brothers.
There are songs we've listened to across the world that the entire something in Bangladesh come on. Okay. But we enjoy it because of the beat or the rhythm. Or let me put the beat, say the beat. It's enjoyed. So why would Stoneboy do this one and just say it's useless? Useless in what way? Besides that, I know every song an artist play on a target audience for that particular song. So if the song does not fall within all category and our age group, does it make it useless? Does it make it useless?
Okay.
Some of them, I'm saying, opportunities now, but there's a woman talking about if not, I don't know where it's coming from. Calling it useless. If it's useless, we will discuss it.
And I said, yeah.
No, because if it's useless, you all I will even discuss it.
Also, already discussed because figure and I
Most of
said,
them is usually content now discussing, but also
personality like this and
Let me tell you
okay,
something.
it could be.
No, let me tell you something. Let me tell you, personality is one. Some boy do good music, we will discuss it. What was the last time some boy didn't do one? Papa.
I mean, that one organization album.
Papa. Correct.
but
This song is also not on the album organization.
Oh, that will not be so. I want to just talk about album. When the big can also
Freestyle.
freestyle been a costume or mucha. And the boy back to try on the year status and a trend here. Oh, no, one the about say or release you.
as an audio now.
And it's not an album, we don't even I don't know because of the bar out of it.
So I'm trying to cross what
It's not a plan to go. I see a job. Now I must be try to go na you. Now I must be able to status.
Net trend.
Trending. Let go for copy.
And I said, "Bia, Frank, sex video, Bina Frank sex video, Bina. I go out for me release Frank sex video, no. What I say?
No,
I'm me use that
as a Frank Crabia or sour, sorry them. Now we all video not trending.
The issue is so and instead of your planting say or the back. When you say about out now, and before this catch up with that time, I'm now running the crowd the status. I'm on the status crowd what I was. I'm on the store when I status or one status of the status. And that is how it is. Let me tell you something. The Kuruma, I've told you several times.
Of course, we are young man and one and the 2 months and one obey. And you there, still point here. So, you say, you're problem. Don't forget, we've just said one thing I very, very important. One point in proper, I am going to say discuss. They discuss the content of the music. Number 14, number 4 controversial. Have we done that? No. But we are discussing this. It means, yeah, the culture.
One net 77 is
You try. The two say, I say, okay, I said that I told me discuss all this, what we will discuss today.
yeah.
Now, we are as a story be out by story when near percent. I will have to water. Because some
Obi one summer back.
because of those things. You understand? That is what we are noted of. But we are not noted of doing a clean sheet. Clean sheet said, you have to say, Stoneboy, you might come and say, okay, why you have done the good clean songs. Oh, Stoneboy, what? You invite me, and I say, oh, and then the man, clean songs, sir. So that you can also feel, oh, why clean songs?
When you say, we are smart, because when you do things that are good now, like this days, social media will not help you to.
Oh, yeah,
no. To me, I've always said social media rewards stupidity. social media no pa di nkwasi asem e be mo why style there.
So
and
that is very pathetic.
Yeah.
I know a topic I could be discussed on that issue. But for Olam, he has no case. He has no case. Not at all. And with me, I will answer our apology to Stonewall. Calling the song useless.
It's senseless and useless.
He should apologize. You know, sometimes some of these guys, I don't know. So what do you think I cannot say if you ask them, no, it's pathetic. Very, very pathetic. About the same pattern, you know,
but so long as one because I was going to discuss.
No, this song,
that's what
this
I'm
song,
saying.
no, this song. If we were not even discussed, I would have commented on this before we leave here. Say no, can't topic come in,
no, what would be same set ama patapari one corner by no la any kuma no la ukuma but not or a pandit no yet
host.
No, but you can still raise it. There are some topics we raise it from here.
Oh yes, I agree, but like
as a guest, you can tip
in. Na ababa wa ya friend of when the shape. One also at the nsemi abati to just say Rough Town Records also, but Bullet any Japan, but like the private matter, the relationship someday, any bullet as name one bullet the send amount for a person tag and say be only bullet will be any animal and what about him or the Yakover, the video name Reba, nothing actually. All right, now on a beku ena kasawo OK FM ena or say on yana japade. What I say belong to him, but on the records. I'm starting free France.
I don't know why honestly what happened with this when you say
Or Hammy.
what happened with this.
Let's send it.
I said, what is happening? So Assemble was explaining Sana, you contradict yourself, I am. What is that?
Yeah.
Assemble. Now, I said, oh, so be able to say, and this, who's Assemble now? Okay, say this. Then you go, you just end up contradicting yourself. One million on different shows say, you are not dating, and you want money. So, what they said, no Japan, the bullet, Rough Town, and then no Japan, you know. Contract ni man no mo do almost flew out you part of it
so the body na kasa nya dia maybe the voice and what me also control
sorry if we the plan body the me wo dia we power one me wo dia bible mu na wo dia
me ana me yo
and all now we bible mu na wo dia but so we no sorry
oh that one
exactly and you can never say the pano wo dia obi e wo ayo obi dia. But I know there's before. Let me tell you something. I know them, and then I'll say in bullet. Okay, but I know and all to a man or money. But I don't become a bullet away or away. You see, this girls. I don't know why. That's our prime woman to me. Our prime woman. What an issue here. You have to be explaining yourself and telling us, and then you don't waste your time.
I'm not for tagging too.
Massa, Obian go to my tag. Oh, go for water. Target the microphone. Now, tag sometimes I'll tag you.
Obian tagging with you.
Whoa. Come on, one class of book. Not to miss a ah, it's a tag. Oh, remember what is a tag? I don't say that.
No. We are men for Kumawood doesn't it? On one name.
As a mechanics, you don't get my point. Tag simply means people say certain things are either the right thing they should have said.
Okay.
It's a tag. And they can answer.
Okay.
So if they tag, you say, how many artists in Ghana, managers or producers or directors, all Ghana, yeah, some previous, or move far, or move artists or money don't get it down. It's few. It's few. More than even 10%. Would you agree with me? So our managing artists, you know, on fact, can form that. And people say it based on the SC.
Okay.
I was said the bride. Based on the SC pay. As a before every pay, and the details come as a maybe should you come, I won't need to pay in a but just the SC. So these are all things that happens. If we say don't worry yourself. Go because well, someone remember come and I go here. I go back to my baby no
manager. Because bullet is really go back can be
yes, we discussed it.
On cry no or
I'm not the girl because of this I'm not the say
yeah size. Okay, can tell me.
And you know what? Where this issues between Omoka, and the baby and the problem.
So they are not this worry.
And also you call me a plan, be a worry praise I can because of that worry penny to know. What about the same person? I said, as a Nobia.
Yeah.
I don't know what he's saying. As a bullet in Nobia, but bullets will cry. Worry, I don't know, Crana. Worry, Papa tell.
Yeah.
On your corner, the oil better took a people call it said. He's nobody and I said, oh, to me, or man, don't get to me no fear. It doesn't stand. It's already all transient because my end hair separating from bullet. But I'm also telling you, bullet, only man, why I say Richie? Richie is offering the same call. No one can fly your career ends.
And every day.
It's also tagging also the two.
Oh, yes.
Which I'm sure say you do not also have any proof to.
What that
or trend there
now trend you wouldn't say artist be offering Richie say be above.
No, but we switch to more artists or many managers be do man.
Oh, and then make
why specifically Richie? Give them was na make up. Artists
to use an example. That's my choice.
No choice. No share the records something say some before we mean from Chawan area.
What you have so it needs to be
carrying numbers and say almost I did be on my hand.
Obiano manager skills. Today. And what my attendant, Sammy, or what man is gifted. You can't collapse him. And what man human relation with people are very good. And to the way you can present a deal, you got money on this JB, Sarah Bobby.
Okay.
And the work they are only exceptional. Who artists only exceptional. But no man is custom. And I'm a why exceptional.
Let's say in football, we don't change a winning team. Oh, the manager at the hit one way, we change now. We're floppy.
And then sometimes can change the way to still be there. Cristiano Ronaldo was at Real Madrid. He left to Juventus. He's still winning the goal game. And not that maybe I do now because you have more talent. Okay. You sometimes want to give yourself more talent.
Now.
Yeah, I'm just advising Wendy. He's a fine artist, actress.
So Jaya Kassan.
Or Kassan baby. And don't forget I'm sure sometimes. And you know we all know. Say no, you're trouble about. And the do about trouble bullet talent and say with the shade, you know, what do you call it? Everybody now, no trouble. Everybody could do his own too, but on any couple. It's about now, God please the bufu block control I'm sure say one will carry out.
But is only sure say sometimes to presenters no as would be and a massa because we go a 7 a rule. But I don't know
we just discussed it now. Say we want something to try on. I want to kind of last week on Jamaican.
What is it?
Oh, you should tell me last week. Yeah. That's what we want to do. We want to train. We want to get something to discuss.
Also, or
renew. Yes. So some representatives don't renew their names. Go back and tell the country he has to renew it by attacking you. And you said nonsense. And when you say nonsense, it no so trending. Nana Romeo Kopamo, Kiddy. And then they trend the man, Nana Romeo, Nana Romeo, the graduation in Nana Romeo. That's not some of us, unless that's the no. My money trend, so they want to renew their names. All
right. But also bet me the test message there back. Now can kind at the amount 0543 59 6070 0543 59 6070. Niko and Manze Bahona Fiona so a day. Adventure.
Sammy, have you taken bribe before?
Me? No.
Have you been bribed before?
Yes. By Manje.
Who gave you that bribe?
No. And then once I'm like Kawasa.
Thank you. Of course, the performer president Mahama. The Bissan said, have you received or been taken bribe before? Or see me or me in person? What I say?
Oh, the company.
You see, this are all the things. You see, this is just like that. I shared when the shares your friends in pain, and I say her struggle in wanting every now and then answering the same question, being rehashed or being how do you call it, asked differently. What I say? I shared your pain. But if I were here now, yes, if you ask me a question, I choose to answer, I choose to ignore.
Yeah.
But what I say,
yeah.
They wouldn't pull that trigger on you to say, Sammy, by all means, they should have to answer this question. And your exams, I choose to answer, I choose to ignore it, then move on. Open interview, this man answers a question, and the interview, Miss Martin says, I'm happy. That's what happened. What's the American answer? But you see, share. These are one presenters are in quotes. I put it in quotes. I remember and they are powerful. They've got that name. Every artist will want to sit in front of them again. When they interview you now, it gives you a certain mileage. Oh baby, you know, it will make headline in the magazines, in the how do you call the print, the social media, even the radio and TV. It will make headline. Until every artist wants to be interviewed by such presenters. But you see, you can't the earlier issues know about Stoneboy may say, we are too much full of sensational stories, too much. I feel say when we need to tackle the real issues now, some we are not looking at those things, but rather concentrate on the sensational aspects in Ebema and Guano. I had them what I said, if I got all the ingredients, no, we should dare say. So I mean, if I got all the ingredients to make the soup tasty and nice, now, what else again do I need to make the soup an extra tasty? What's the American say? Nipada Bara said there are questions that I believe say you need to ask him or her. But you see, we intentionally sway so that obviously this same issue say when the share say I'm part of a first often records, but not bullet property. No. Opposition say simply put opposition say only bullet and Jembra and then they bullet Japan and no. People are saying say we bullet girlfriend, girlfriend until I say bullet real until no. Opposition original no so kind in such a way say it will just put that little spin on it. I said that's digress the people a little bit. That's what she wanted to do, and truly she did it. But you see, even that she was still being pushed to that extreme to say for her to say yes, I am dating bullet. So she also has to come out to say no, I am not.
Okay.
So I mean, You see, in artistry, or I say in artist management, before you go for interviews, a lot of the times they are planned interviews.
Yeah.
These are what we call promotional interviews. Where there's all the human balance of family mind. Nobody, no manager would want to watch a radio presenter sit deliberately the artists. They are there, the artists in the format, and so now we do my bed, Adrian in the bottom. Manager being who are yes, sir. You have a catch out, so I said, I don't know, or best signals, no, baby, I didn't find it. Miss Rao, from Fassia, your bar for promotional interview, and constitute on it. But Ghana had no sooner be someone when now who try say you want to dodge, that's when they are pushing you to that level. As some way, they say be a net and I when they say, ye baby sano. A lot of people have asked her, say, we've heard you are dating Bullet, we've heard you are doing doing this. You see, but the chance well answer over and over again to say, no, I am not dating Bullet. But they want to make news, they want to make capital out of that because of it. They said, we'll be sad, maybe say in a different way, maybe say in a different way, they're not from my own. While protesting are not from Menyano.
Okay.
But what I say, and I show, again, we see there are artists around. You manage them when they fall from you, and I say when they leave now, they fall. There are some who doesn't fall. But remember, both here and I'm and they be so on man, almost so one man, they job management down, almost so mind or matter from, and this will be Hannah will change that baby. But they say the same, she acquires a down, and that's a frat. When you are doing something, and your father says, I wash off my hands off you. What I say, it is a curse. Oh, from when you send the back, also, Parker said, me, my home and sound me even say for so. And call a no me. Let's understand these things. But so, Papa, you better what once a month or the Nishida at H. And I'm a boy. Okay, I'm my first name. Artists now. Only na Jumana and the artist name was say Abu say first Abu to say Abu Panswa. If it's in a good way now, and the Wabaka what Munya Maxim was saying, you do very 5 years. But now I feel sensitive. I can to me and crown. I can now move on and do my own thing. On the mutual agreement. What I say, me here be a met me about honor. About advice, me here be me to me about why if it's engineering work now. If I need any consultancy work, then I will still come to you now. So I'm used to flourish. But you see, in our part, you know, what happens is when the artists are living and they live in what we call bitterness. There's so much anger in some of them that say, they are not at peace, they are war when they were at loggerheads when they were living. And definitely, Sammy. Definitely, there were certain things that have contact around. Now, first, Sammy, contact now first one. Now, your friend see your friend may see who also know. I remember for some time. Now, don't forget, make me block his hand money now. What you say? Make me blocking it now. You will come on and a stone boy walk Zalofo. And a delay will Roy. Say, our Kelly management. F. Or Willie Roy said. They want to do a collabo with Stone Boy. Also Bubuye. One casa. Okay. But artists are not open as some of that time and Shatawal in the Nas had deal with buyer. And keep your body man. But because that company is silent in room, that is how sometimes it happens. But let's also understand this. You see, in life, no, it's never what you want is what you get. And it's not what you wish is what you also have. Let's understand this thing. A bedroom baby, make up until you prepare your mind for these things. But yeah, I don't see artists also have to do. I said you do way too much, too much. Friends, bloated heads. So when your heads back me now, no more to my own dumb for say a 1 year, and it's so free manager and say man, if you are not careful. All right. Alright, when you go to our Kumawood Entertainment Show live, Kumasi Ahonjo Atenga Junction. Facebook, Neko Kumawood TV.
when you live or YouTube and so your live it was Sam Daku's TV. Wait I say they put 2 songs, it be your phone or bundle where you go use them download, where you go use download them Josie Boy Dim and or they buy on also the aban. We say so I say I'm Rahana from Bichim. The song
Bichim Rihanna.
Yes, Bichim. The song don't have any knowledge. Stone Boy put 2 songs is senseless. No knowledge. Stone Boy are hungry or is hungry. Why? Rihanna Bichim and the buy. Also, bet me will test message about near can come on. Kumawood entertainment show so. Yaku na could cancel the win. And so any funny fees beef could cancel for interview you know so I say sad that day na quite Congo UTV you know Nampen for you now I said very for you or intino and a man to trade transcend be so beef no dey still and that's so ewo Yaku video very bad near watch. Alright, yes, as a mom, Aquaba view, make out say, and it may be a woman to now so they or gentle about also what they contribution about, but say there for test message brag, Nankin kind and mom. My medical and call Francis because last week or 2 or shall come say, Mekan say and come shakra. Say, beef with on the entra, the chakra of any Frank. I didn't know my cousin. No one just told me.
Oh, yeah. So because I was at our 1 month ago, the woman and was I said, not very full. And I want to yes. Also, the points are more true. Some of the points are below belt because a car could do a private life. And as I point, you know, and then normal into a point here, like I said, it's a great collaboration here, and I'm happy to say, as a bassa, I'm happy to say to Canada was. I'm so much happy. And they say, if you have a good dinner, I'm going to do that. But because of the joy, it's going to do that.
Information I said, food, organic food party be.
What's that organic food area?
Unless and I'll do. Basso life, they say I Obashi should be our Judaland.
I must send you a
Anyway,
that's one day.
They say a man for body bra, name organic food.
And I'm basically organic food.
This is all. This is all. Judaland.
What's the matter?
But the air was.
Yeah, so I'm going to tell Jarvis on always anchor our president.
President
My uncle, you know,
president.
oh, yeah, come on, I said, last Tuesday,
Oh, do that and president.
or Ghana president.
The castle Brazil, Gabaya, and you know, the problem.
I don't go to the town until your mother I said, my many come and come and
oh, said I told you, sir, I'm happy. Say beef, beef,
okay. I must but quick one after your queen. Also, you're happy, and I said,
oh, Sammy, you know, why would I have to be happy over someone's friends and government and someone's fuck house? I am not happy and I want to be happy. But I feel friends, who has us to prevail? Kojo can sound the word, yes, I know him, I know Funny Face. I know the two artists involved, but I feel this is much ado about nothing. If they make their fans or they make us believe or they make their fans believe it is a make believe thing on TV, but it is reality now. So I feel it's a shameful act. It's a shameful act for you to portray on live television to say oh everything is okay, but within you still harboring that pain and that anger now. So it doesn't speak well for a Christian. Meaning if we don't consider when it's a Christian there, I know him, but I don't know if that is
managed him before. So
we should know it by now.
Listen,
but I never asked you that question, Frank. But what I'm saying is,
but who managing that? So yes, but what I'm saying is,
as a Christian, but I do not know if he still holds that.
Okay, fine.
Let me use the word still. Let me use the word still in there. Same, I am here passing Kojo of all people is doing this. You see, over that cloud, that huge cloud around, a sellable. What I say, essentially a marketable. Over to my channels are energy into that better issues.
Okay.
And then, Gina on it, Funny Face.
Oh, show no, fine. I said, oh, Casabia,
No. I have F for this.
Okay, yeah, but
a drone man buy the chocolate and a masano may grow. They suffer from a severe waste paper. So, to also a child crown my body, that's the moment. The 10 said,
I don't need it. A man for 5 years.
What I'm saying is, Kojo and the Funny Face, almost energy, almost channel into this thing. I feel it's much ado about nothing. I want to channel that energy into a better use and into a useful, if anything, venture. Why am I saying so? Near Adajira was said it na TV soon. I feel any company here work with them. I knew that ambassadorial deals and said that franchise deal. I feel so could you spend this energy, right? To even sit on social media or TV on radio and say, me one day and Missika, the magic some dark TV or more. Maybe I could be able to come once a month. I am sure in the next coming days or months, his money will be doubled for him. On the Funny Face, but elsewhere, elsewhere, and could do Funny Face. I don't mean your TV soon could do a saba. I won't ever come once a month. Elsewhere, their ambassadorial role or franchise role will be stripped off completely. I'm telling you.
Okay.
It will be stripped off completely because I do not want to associate myself with such a brand. Straight away, you have to strip the person off. A typical example here, could you call?
No, unse. This beef be a planting.
No. Brand. It's not helping my brand. The company that came signing you, that thing is not helping that company. It's not you the person. It's about the thing that you are marketing or selling for me. What do you image editor on their mamma? Is that thing affecting the product or it's not affecting the product? Is it affecting it positively or negatively? You need to look at all these things as a strategy.
It is not affecting it.
Frank, you said Frank,
they would have come out.
No.
And I
because what you said,
as many elements is out there.
In that way, no, Obikura sign because of say, or
Sammy, listen.
Besides that, he's trending.
Sammy, listen.
And about product is about trending.
Sammy, it's never that. It is never that. You see, when you are trending negatively now, it has a negative impact on anything that you associate with yourself. Why would MTN, as far as 2014, 2016 or so, or 2015, pull down the deal with Kujo Kansal just because Kujo said, I will then, MTN stripping off overnight. Why did MTN do that? They feel that negativity, no, it's not what they want.
Okay.
What I say? That's what I'm saying. Say, me, I don't know you. What another resources and energy.
And the call home.
I also how more now. See, come and know what the man, so 100,000 Ghana, and 200,000 Ghana. That's what now. When the impact, and say, I didn't know you pay or buy your radio interviews, your utterances, and everything now. We now. Why you do? And my idea, no. You sales, I don't buy them a quadruple twice or thrice. When you say double my price for me and then was me they will even beg him. Say no, we still want to do with it, so we'll double the price. What you say? But when this negativity comes in now, you see, then now you the person, no, after now we lose what we call the brand. Now you stand for them, you are losing it. Okay. Don't also forget that you have also entangled yourself or associated yourself with certain products, which in a nutshell, they do not believe in those things. You see, so
I'll make you a point.
I feel so. That is one thing now. Merchandising companies in our country don't basically look out for. They don't check these things. This negativity, no, they do not benefit. It goes into the first cancer when image. But in this case, no, who products no, affecting no. She said, over the other side, they will never say. You are promoting what we call some Dakus energy drink, right? And with this negativity, anybody, Sammy, listen, anybody who watches if funny face, a cheetah for who are associated with we are. Could you cancel the way cheetah for the now? They will say they won't buy this thing again.
Okay.
Every now product, no, diminishing returns better ever come on. And a movie. You understand what I'm saying? And these are the things I believe that we ought to look at it, and they themselves also ought to look at these things. And yes, sir, until you do not think about these things. Even in some of these contracts, it's almost signing out. So listen, there are clauses in say when you do things that will bring the image down. Now we'll strip off everything.
I think say
we have said all these things coming out.
What manage kodo da?
Yes.
Say can advise kodo in 1 minute. Yes, na baka
me if I had to advise Kojo in this now, I would tell him to drift from what he's doing.
Beefing.
And then issue. Moreover, no, he should channel the resources and the energy, like I said earlier, into a productive use.
Okay.
Now again, on Tinase, when the team not conscientize it on the roadmap where he wants to get to in the next 10 years or 5 years ahead of you.
All right.
Stop this.
I'm making the point. When I say I don't think it's really a problem when some people want to have when fan Stone Boy really made it cool. Okay, okay. Some not bomb the I don't get it. Why some media men are so sarcastic in most of their one-on-one with the follow entertainer. I don't think when the show should worry herself that much on that question. We okay, we didn't know I'm farmer, but all the bar number one day, we didn't know I can am I near me, I can kind edit amount. We say so essay. Okay. We say so essay your friend hi, I'm Makiela from Obuasi. I hope Lewen and Fanny will settle their issues. Shout out to my own sweetheart, Augustina. Okay, honestly, the other but also with me. and they would the aba number no at the screen so or the bar a making kind at the amount 0543 5960 70 0543 596070. Wait, I say some gospel musicians are using juju against me. Joyce Blessing. Joyce Blessing na de sa we ba ya rese video ha na ye ba na fe ya to so. Joyce Blessing obi a oye juntuni a oye gospel musician na o kase nkrofo binum a munso ye gospel musicians epi edina kwadro so ama menim se enunti ama otunu mu ayenta na asese na memuza amanzeba se yampa se obi dina kwadro so a enya ne so impact bi ana
Same our namesake no case Drubian Academy. Drubian Academy is Drubian Academy. Men didn't say, man, only Joyce, she's someone that I like her songs and I love her songs too as well. But I think that she doesn't have that firm faith.
As in
the GDA more. O Christo no be to be Christo no be osu nyame pa di na me di pa tame o me na no kan so be di ko juju so damn you pray over it
and na me bisa
prayer answers all
enya no so because say ka do wait makasa obi di mako juju so
there be mako so sanity o
na me di mu nti asimi anya me hwe
sitting and they can say niama ko mu niama ko ekoso ni nyano niame di mu nti ni di na pintin what I say. But when you open and bisect your vocal cavity to say obi do ko eduro so a same
I do believe say gospel musicians do be fan
same whether I believe or I do not believe me I haven't seen it. I have never seen anyone entering that place with my naked eye. And then voodooism
I said name bia
samiti and the voodooism and the friends jujuism no it is in time ni kromo say first na ye ko amafo ko eduro so ahụ na ye dodge na ye ko ye sisi na amafo yi omonim
omo advertise
crowd TV so me ehu amafo ko bom yi omonim bibia me ehu say yes we oba be disikaduro we say fe bibi first sika den there omo ba be dibi what you say ama ye yi omonim na enim enti this is no news me I suppose that if Joyce truly believes she's a Christian now what she has to do is that she has to pray and stop. Your friend is always casting this when those say obi didn't go to do one didn't go to do so for what? Say you do kuna na say you your friend say you do aduma Same. The chairman so you see bro.
Yeah.
The chairman bro. Only my way in so I'm not saying no my is on day. The name out or did it. God is supreme. Now I mean no. So until when I hear people like that now, like the Bible has said, ye men of little faith. What I say, that's exactly what Joyce Blessing is sounding.
Okay.
Me as Christo ni power sound and say obi the me go draw so.
Okay. Yeah, come on, Capras will be that question.
Yeah, Christo ni there you pray over it. You pray those things.
Christo ni that's when you are going to say
me obi
yawa.
Now, say obi the who go draw so what is your weapon? It's prayers. It is prayers.
Okay.
I didn't know what to go body pan or didn't go draw so one body dim but so be obi why who said that she can't even mention the name. You get it? She can't mention a single name. She can do that. And to me, I don't know why it's now. It's your man looking like, and I say it seems like I said she wants to say something to to stay relevant. Again, no, I'm not gonna say already now. No, mom, send baby with her husband issues. That's when which me personally I feel say you see she should learn how to take off her marital affairs away from the public domain. And make some this a prophecy. May catch it to as blessed to say home or paradise open. On concentrate on Sano, on home pie, on then one say. A group be a decadent or born empire. That's what Brennan wants here. Some a group be a
Joyce Blessing 101 only.
Oh, some I have met her quite a couple of times. Oh, I know her, but she's not my friend. But I know her.
I didn't also put him because of Brennan Massey.
As someone make her one tear say or say. Obi di nuko do say me advice ni say me advice
to see most of the cruise are up and back
me say of course say David no make us go hit you
David asema wo kan me
the whole can and no yi
David team me ka say me say so obre no ho ase so no ka say so obre no ho ase a obi an tu nya hwe
na mo ase na obre no
sabe ye
ka normal bra mo ase a woman say no submit
no
na say wonu say no
David sabe say ka bra mo ase a she has to learn to actually absorb certain things. Also, she also has to learn to calm down. You can calm down. Say bibi na obesusoso. What you say? They be na obesusoso. And then you have to be so be no. That's what I mean. Umbrella was but next umbrella was money no. That what I don't get there.
They all kind of say
no.
Yeah. So be a open source someone not there, but they all kind of no. What's the ultimate pass? Ni kunu pen back.
Me say ni kunu or pen, but one brand was it. That's it. But me tiase mo. No. Don't listen. Don't put sugar in what I am saying.
You understand the sugar?
And I'm telling you, says, no, what you mean is not what I mean. See, what you are thinking of is not what I am saying.
No, what?
No, that's how you read that meanings into it. Who mean already into it is what you are speaking. But what I am meaning, is what I am telling you.
Okay.
I'm asking about Debbie, I didn't tell me. I mean, because I mean, I also
hey, friend, I would say, Amazon, the seven were clear on me. As some are kind, say. Yes, they may because Minimzad before her. Oka say, wouldn't him say, Nikruno, a penny back. It's brown was here. A minute say,
some listen. Near Adibia Nikuni Bia, no, and a Nikuno, I've heard him. One or two will which I won't disclose that. Kase, Omunjani, Tini, Omunjani. But Sammy because Sammy said, Sammy, Brown Wasia, that doesn't mean says I'm Muadio. Maybe I didn't want my own yet. Why go? Let's make us a Brown. That means I calm down.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? That means that calm down. Get you say, oh, Kuntokwa. Oh, say, one on Pewasamo. On Pewas, but the public to be ra, and I'm a branch, Jai. Or no savior. But a lot of the times,
right now, Amaziba and a year Joyce Blessing Savior. Joyce Blessing was come down. Castle, send it to be our
share or that's what the Brown you mean. That's in the castle.
Yes.
May recommend this ad, Joyce.
Okay.
On good say, Simon.
Okay. No for mobile.
No from Wabba.
And Frank, I remember I was quickly enough for you.
Joyce Grace is one of the fantastic gospel artists in Ghana, especially when it comes to live band performance or stage performance.
When Mikachu Junos of crowd, there, your bar,
I was
yes,
she performed.
girl, this shaky.
And she was on the move within this whole place than everybody.
I'm telling you.
Than everybody.
Men sorry, sir, see the bad day.
Yes, how can I play consistent? Okay, it's a nice video. And to the budget.
That we have a tree and can go and say,
Sorry.
And so that way,
of course, now old picture.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
But old picture. If you cannot put a good 2 days, 3 days, you'll try. Sometimes you look at this, I think the pictures are picture, it's a fact.
Picture, bear 4 years.
Oh, because I was not it's baby. Yeah, open some.
I was there now today. Ade.
She's one of the finest, and then I know Michelle said up a couple of times, and the humility that I saw in her, it was amazing.
I said, dear.
Oh, that was a no, it depends. It was a baby, baby will share, no, and of course, different baby, maybe share. I don't know if you get the point. And a baby, I wish you would be, you know, a bit depending upon the situation involved and that sort of thing. The guy, even when I asked her to come and perform, now, the friend I was so frank, and so because and she did never said anything. She came and
to the way in a case Canada man.
So you know, Corocody was still United with no Giaca.
Oh, let me tell you something. There are some people.
But frankly, the case kept to be about 20,000.
20,000. I don't, despite.
Oh.
Some people say sorry, despite.
Also,
that's if you want, no go do two.
Oh, go to Sati. Oh, go to Sati. No problem.
And the only one is a tea, the fast over.
Me, several pictures, let's see. But the humility and whatever I know, it's okay for me. Besides that,
the issue I was saying you do some.
I don't remember so. Yeah, no. You need to build a plan for somewhere. You don't just get up and say you are cancer.
So you say only over to Makasa.
Oh, now cancer be with Makasa.
It will build there, but he's saying, can
you let me talk? The builder is said, and the pedigree are making so you used to know. Some of these things should not come from there. So be this you do. And the partner, Papa, yes, he told us all this. So we are not fighting flesh and blood. The baby for them are harmful.
Ephesians 6:12.
Oh, so all these things you should all that as a why should this be news to us?
Okay.
So you have so many spiritual attacks. Now that we're reducing the attack maybe from your own people. This thing, even besides that, even Africa, in Africa, it's in Ghana. I could be because your dress is nice. Because your dress is good.
Between.
Oh, no, I'm saying it. That is the people that we live around. The reality. Of course.
Nika.
That is us. That is Africa.
And some fufu will do with fufu there.
That is Africa. You see? So the fact of the matter is that so be here now. So that mathematical can one of the same as a Bible. Christo did not put any Bible. And if you live above those things, yeah, mindset, whatever you consume, whatever you take into your life, it will affect also. Okay. Someone will say, Juju, or the go Juju, maybe I made a mistake, I want to mistake, I say Juju. Do not emphasize any children. Okay. It is there, they happen with you, but live above them. Me, I've lived above so many things, and I keep me going. Okay. So, until the end, and then the here. You see, we need to live these things, and it's even the Bible. And one Bible might have far to you should know. Yes, Christ people are money down. Look at what I've
can send the brave father.
Now, how could I say prayers? I was actually pronouncing what I say, he died. Oh, there's a boss to say you crucify. So you should live above all these things. Okay. Concentrate on the talent, because our talent, let me tell you, as well, and a couple of songs are massive. My kind of statecraft at all, very perfect. I'll concentrate on only about all these things that is happening. In human society, human endeavors, we come across all these things. But then now, Christos, and today I something. Oh, okay. All that we're going through, podcast me. I said, go through fire and water. But in all this thing, for the glory of God, what that's what I say. So I know that's what I say. And glory, and then move on. And all
right, we're a Kumawood entertainment show, and when you go to our live, or Kumawood TV, you Kumasi, Atinga Junction. Medical Culture say, I also shake your waist. Season 2, no, Basso Life, Nakopon ya Doma, Saturday we, or Chinachi Saturday, wow, Pesse, O Betro Day, and also by audition, Nibino, Pacho Bra, Anopa, baby I will be out for a crowd or Tamale or you, Simuntem, never Anopa, never do a bad 9 o'clock. Uba ya audition, no was Santa now. Baby I will be Anobra. And upon 9. And because he said about 4 o'clock, na ye de abanary, and watching also a bobe non see from 6 to 8 Saturday no so your Ghana Got Talent and to show a live or Kumawood TV that we bring live or her and after so Kumawood Training Institute and so Abba say the dress and Juma it is a biodigester and a 3D epoxy liquid soap, shower gel, makeup, and yama be pre and a year barbetre. If I show only just 200 Ghana cedis, can it is kind of 2 million. Now they are back. The opposite Ocean Bia no Ocean, and Coupon Yarduma 7th, 8th, and 9th August. And a year by no Kumasiha. Baby, I'll free babyano, who are children as a old bar. Accommodation as a baby over there. A come be a free. And it's bright. Now also be register. But what there's a fresh number na yet me a register 0244 294066 0244 294066. Enter maybe a phone name na answer no. Ye bisa say movie industry na akofo. Bebre epe movies are yenya. They say yenya new movies in share. Na yebusa say SSS government na eba boyen ema ye movie no sunrise bill. Ana say ebinu ka say ma ejako eba back. Na ejako ba back because there was a time a call from Sano through ejako miracle films mo na sunrise in the back. Enti yensan kofa eja komra back ana ana bi so say individually no as I say obia eye no so ne de na ya de movie industry go back wa de nche ne say obetimi do text message e dey back 0543596070 0543596070 eba na fe yakenkan e dey ama prepare no so na bi ya homatofo no atom am certain free and manzibaho. And then I was saying, Emma, you movie where no samba back. A government, a Jaco, a producers, and I say,
good, Sammy. bringing back the creative arts, I wouldn't want to narrow it just to movies. Or bringing it back.
No, because of movie, no one said now. Oko music, they are still reigning. Oko other sectors now. I'm also your but movie now kasa dey a call from cry.
So I mean, good. If you say so, I'm narrowing into that angle. We say bringing back the movie industry, it doesn't just lie on one person. A collective effort. Collectivity now. I also say in na kind boom na yema dini. One say you mo your kase I say Ghana your kase be say prior we back one. Or come but all can't adena boom. Nipa na only omu can't adena boom. You need to first of all find out if they are traders in or they are not traders in. So for now, you know what say, and I bet not say never first again. What is their mindset? Or my gain, it's saying, it was saying, again is saying, now yeah, my dinner, and I said, I did you go posse, young man, yeah, Baba, yeah, be beaten, yeah, oh, you need to know all these things. Again, I was said the government has a role to play in. Corporate Ghana has a role to play in.
What role?
Corporate Ghana has a role to play. The movie industry itself, no, it's also a pivotal point in this. And then Ejako one might have some level of ideas around. He being an actor, he also been in the industry for close to, let me say, how God knows, no, over 20 years. Or experience be as I mean, and then I'm afraid I'll be ADP. What you say? Or what can it be? I said, if a Jacko can't even put pen on paper down, he has something that he can say that could be documented. You will be so hard, I'm what the other say. Yeah, a theory aspect. And you're practical. Yes, I go for it. You be a pro. You're best in the year. One man never fast to your beton. One man fast to the beton. So I call market here. Oh, we need to know all of these things.
Channels bang and I said, avenues bang and marketing.
Good. You see, the channels in marketing and channels in selling is we need to know all of it. It's how only you call experts in those fields. Even the media also has a role to play because it's the fourth realm of government. The media need to also propagate it, sell it out there. What I say, you need to compel government, give government reasons why more Phyllis say, and I say Phyllis say a day, say abide. So open the boy me from Leti and brand me ebe femi and brand me brown. Nessa what sansu do sika e tai che maya. Nessa so do only non sa tai che maya to acquire e kokko negotiate deals na say for now. You bet to me attractive investors in one part no matter because we have a lot of untold stories to tell.
Okay.
You about point to me corporate Ghana the say. You no moso and a year beton at the amount. Yes, banks no is so soften or interest. They say banks I could scap on. They technology. It's a major factor. But it's hard to say this. You could have no. You feel it's a casano. And who you say I'm doing the bayadi. What I say? Be able to, make it work. Technology, you have for a year and then I'm there from today. Frank apps phone. You will create what proper apps. You need to do a near it could go to also make money from the rest of the world. Now, encrypted pen drives. What they show says, what the pen drive they show phone one. Want to be entry be film soon to be pen drive so. So now we need the technology and the knowledge in doing all of these things.
Okay, but what kind app we and DJ Premier on an industry a show be and industry friend and only a gym commona or can say, and Grovobia, your apps be a nanka, a bit me up, but I said, young pet, yeah, dear, pet, a beer, a profit, dear, near their day, and yet here a premier bear 1 minute, okay, the banner fair to us.
Lento café.
Okay, and maybe I'm one but menya software bako or also your entertainment pandit person or cancer my yakan epi kakra na owia maybe I'm one to my friend is over na obia so de na venture aba. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Sammy.
Pastor Dan, I'm coming to say.
Let me add more and pattern. I'm also here.
Yamu pardon. Wait quickly.
Quickly, I know we be short before Joyce blessing discussion on. Now, we know more the passion so. I will fear it soon to taxi. I did about come a person cover Joyce blessing as I'm known to say. Joyce blessing, Mama humanity, I say, we're a brander to see our household name. I could be a Nimono, but we have problem with management. I know per se, or some connected to the fans in the view. I think say, Obi the local Drusu, Obi Beso Kumeno, Sa sorry we know, for or more African Moba. But Joyce blessing in the modern man, what born gospel industry. And someone any justification be as we saw the local Drusu, you don't have any proof just say, you may be the local Drusu. It is ultimate prove it. It is the first say, on concentrating on anyone I want to know. Because you say a industry no more penny and sir, you go with your gospel industry, everybody just blessing. And I ain't say recently there was no problem with management. There was no problem with management. No, but I connected back to France now. I'm concentrating on the talent in our because I'm sorry now, because will be the local dose. What is the proof? What's the justification? And if you ever can watch some M1, and I'm better with 2 million banner for say, so we'll be here on to a Juma. What no talent no of antojom because we here rebranding BB and no number 7 dem too
okay
because I live in Ambwa
say so they were no about to Joyce blessing asem no se be ya obe concentrate na wato no na fi wajai here no and the emo man ko frank so quickly kakra obe kan fa premier issue no
but premier dey to from to you guys it's what they can academic this week as also. Okay. Because we need to project.
As a man can read now.
And the time next
week.
We see this issue they can make a every.
No, it should be every day. Listen. Our brothers and sisters are doing very good things. They say support. But you say, yes, support will be will come out. But will be the BB fair then we fall for it. They rob us and take the money even back to them. Which is very bad. Very, very, very bad. There are so many things that they need support from the government and from ourselves. Like I said, we love to promote outside. BET. Yeah, nomination plan and they go for near council by our own. No, because it's not from our camp. On the name in the real school.
And then, yeah, if we live about one ever, and it's
and you have been anything about one ever. And you have been any gas, anything about one ever. Be it or be initiative, the Baba initiative, and all the Konana after that. And no matter will be not a minor government will be the movement in the Abedu and they can beat us. If you don't support your own today, who do you want to come support? Tell of all about or mine is a moment school or mine more music. So we found where investment, we found no man.
In your corner, we are a Caribbean,
Exactly. Omo di no krema omo man no se diskana ma omo di no kre de ma
we omo di amaye ne ni no kre
abaye no support
di amaye ne ni no kre
abaye no support no dem movie industry abaye no support ben no dem event organizers some like corona ba ya go phone dey do aye abaye no teacher party for sika what is your teacher artist bisca what is event organizers be give someone as party for stars party for that still be Luska. Party for me, but that's so big. I'm also telling you.
Me, I don't know.
And then I must say, if you want loan, go and fill the form online. Let them verify you.
Send them my other.
Oh, yeah, I'm father.
They be believe I'm going to be a my biafra.
So I'm telling you that if you've opened that avenue to you. I'm fine, you need to come explain to us.
Baby, the alpha.
I just said, I'm fine. You just
yes, Binum Sikaba, Binum Susikamba.
I just said, what is
the Sikaba? I'm explaining to you.
What?
I'm explaining to you.
Oh, maybe I won't be out.
No, France is Sikaba.
As to you cannot line.
Yeah, let me announce the line. The Bacho, Obet me a friend is here, Goma Edi. And then come bia ya ka ho asem wa no bet my friend na wo so do agent aba 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 ba me pa wa chew say oh fra wo TV volume no mute no na wo ka say wi an wo bie wi abete wo enka frank
now the concept now as we didn't get it right. The verification we do online. What do you call it? A source of all. So the source will come and tell us why we did not qualify and why ours were not verified. Not the individual. How do you know? Do you have to explain to me? No. About Sana, all my bidding here to be said. The end of who perform something on the mount.
Yeah, come movie industry.
Oh,
say
we don't talk about the movie industry. No.
Because oh yeah, confirm by people. Yeah, tell us as you said, government MI if
the government doesn't even give us money, we don't want the government to give us free. We don't want free money. Me, I never believe in free thing. But they should give us packages out. I bet no money for money. Man, no money is a money because this bank loans. When you go 31%, 29% interest, and it's so easy. And all the moving now and far. It's a headache. She said, if you go YouTube about go phone to minister schedule. She said, move job. You should be ready for big, huge money. Because you are better some now section or risk or on YouTuber. And no, all that may do what in your movie. It's another picture that movie producers and directors need every morning now to come back to the movie industry. And I'm saying that the government things for the government to do for us is not doing. Share village of Castle Basi. How many years now? 4 good years a trip. Village of Normal. So the Safu teaching some Basi. No, he said if you plan Nana
theater some Castle Basi.
You see, we are
digesting this political parties on manifesto on
we need to write listen, I'm for creating art industry then we all the government has come so far.
Oh, only ABB.
Only ABB. They will think of even when you work. Then let's say theater. I think one day to find out said they will have a percentage and I say okay, we are only a creative art industry now member over. Let's say about this country. It is fixed. It is fixed for everyone who comes there. It's supposed to be so. No. What is the government doing for us? The general panel can't say the banner or mine.
We need to come together as a
if you want to do a show, why would you do it? Recently, just you push to do a show.
Oh, big place that ever hire hotels.
Hotel and big private 10,000. There's no hotel.
Royal Lametta is there, Mecklin is there, Golden Tulip is there.
Royal Lametta, let me tell you something. If you don't know today, a proper place for show is not Royal Lametta.
Oh.
Because the state, you have to go to your own state, you have to go and bring your own chest. But a proper place, so all this there, then you rent all in one.
I'm saying we don't have some.
So Royal Lametta is not a theater.
So why
That's what I'm saying. You mentioned it. It's not even proper. It's not even proper for that place.
This Ghanaians some call Abuchi.
Yeah. Maybe it's phone nice, no. Well, I said, this is class. 0200 this is more 02. Wait, my pass. Now, once you do again, Eddie Abba 0200 603 602. Ahomano at that screen so. Wait, my friend.
So the government is a disappointment from American NDP government, from NDC government.
But you say, one. Say industry now, that's a month. Imagine money.
I like that.
Man,
I like that. Very good.
Government for the
I there was a miracle. Now, saying how many meetings has he gone at Eastern region? I am also privileged. On Bessia, on the leader, so Bessia. No, I'm not even asking for the government to give you money. Because the government first come more. But even places for you to do your programs.
No, but
I bet I don't have it. You don't have it.
Frank,
you don't have it.
Frank,
you see the problem.
Frank,
I don't know about who's a miracle.
No, Frank, listen.
Series of meeting, always still written. And because it's Emerson.
Frank,
you told us that on the show. Come on, seven.
No, Sammy.
On the show, because Emerson come back on it.
Sammy,
and two.
Sammy,
listen.
What I want my brother Frank also listen.
Let me if I land you understand. Okay. The government, we do not say the government support or give us money individually, no, for our movies. Because most of the time, some of us say you don't even pay tax. Most people don't even pay tax. You see, but if you have access to places of this nature, or theater, or village, okay, who the government will even open Chiapa, who try the same opportunity will be there, and those are the things we are asking the government to do for us. If I'm necessary at a better three as Kuma, say hi man, how? But now, if you necessary that I'm so good, I'll bet you program to me in the every. Today, I can't go my time about. And today, if you go, what do? You don't have option. And then you know also the cost involved. You might not be able to do because you don't have a proper sponsorship. You might not be able to do because you don't have a proper sponsorship. So that is what we are required of the government to do for us. You can't offer should be able to. No, people they will be able, some even go for loan. The one not even take a rich movie, nice movie. But you go over to not seeing so a problem. But village like one, you can do everything there. And within a certain possibility.
Okay, I'm asking what did you say? The movie industry, it's my rising.
Sammy, yes, we can do it. You see, elsewhere, no, the industry has gone down globally, no. The pandemic has affected everything. But we did say because of more structures, no, a year 2 months, and no, still the industry is not going to hibernation. They are still doing work, or they are still working. But because they have home, young from India, and then some fan come home from the human no, and in here come share. Frank Castle, Bob, Mr. Namiche, right, Mixiano, but it's Mr. Namiche alone. The science we are daily. We need to form a column. We need to form a column.
I didn't say he alone.
Listen.
Who were invited for that meeting?
Listen. Me. I have seen people here. Samoko, James Abadi will tell you straight. What's the name? Recent PR friends. Abro. Will tell it or no, not the deception. As we can coffee, baby, skimming goals and industry fancies. You see, when you act and speak like that, and as you behave like that now, corporately, no, they look at you in a different light. You need to come in with that sober reflection, with that ideas. People buy into ideas, but we don't buy into human affairs structures. And I say, how strong you are. No, it's the idea like Obama background and Rebecca say. Listen, or say we should build institutions, but not to build strong men. That is what Abro and his people are doing. They are just building strong people in there, which are bullies. they don't bite, but they make noise. When you tell them, say this is the thing, and they feel say, oh, we are dictator. That's not the case. When we form a quorum, we do it well. What I say, but they should also respect. So when we are able to build structures, but not just going to meet people to get the opportunity to travel. That's not the thing. These people, that's their idea. Say, we are getting in there, we have the opportunity to travel.
I didn't cry. That's the thing.
That is the thing. That is the thing I'm telling you. Sammy, they feel say, oh, I said we think say,
oh, I'm the buy a check. Good. Me na buy a check. Bro na
without opposition, government can't work properly. I'm telling you. Okay. Opposition is good. When we are back, we are giving them that strong
position. I think it's Castro father. I think we have to us this week with the movie kind of thing. But Castro, the papa, Abeka said, even if Castro are next year, crown on 30 seconds, 30 seconds.
So, with the Castro issue, I feel say we need to eat humble pie. He's gone forever. Castro is not coming back.
No. That means all tears you.
Say, or tears you, baby.
Say, well, I'm next year on
near Wairano. I don't need to be dinner. Me be a Castro dinner. Men can't be one call. So, what did he say? And Pablo Wunas will call the first and they won't do it now, so be it. Make up wake up remember because COVID now, I see we should not even gather. And say, everybody will be back called over Konya, Ebia, and Fancy Koroibi. It will really serve us better not to even get in there. But if they still feel said, they will do it, that's up to them. That's the father's right to say yes, I want my son, I want him. That's up to him. Okay, but I mean, with the man who see me, there's an agenda and there's something that we all need to look at. You see, in as much as we friends applaud and appreciate what other works that goes on radio, TV, it's been done like the way resources pause, other social issues, political issues. I feel we need to do the same thing for entertainment analysts.
I know, sir. My Musa started championing that.
Yes, entertainment analyst or entertainment analyst. Because if you do not pay me, if you do not resource me, I won't be able to give you what we call a better research to come and inform your viewership. It's something that we critically, we need to look at. Just a second. You sports pundits, and sports commentators. Tough matches now, but when it comes to VGMA, how would you even pay two of your entertainment people here to go to VGMA to go and watch it?
No, or do you go to focus? So
no. Listen.
But the time now.
Not to even talk about there's Oscars or BET. You see, let's
I said, oh, make a good point, but one starting next week, you're back.
Tuesday, my birthday. Tuesday, my baby on kind or share. My main chair and Tarba. The chair quickly.
Emma of Metro for Porsche. I mean,
Metro for Matthias. So Metro knew you more.
It's Ezra, Metro Ezra. So Ezra is Metro. Is there?
The time must be there.
I'm Kusaka Karidan. On the floor is Kusabra.
All right, Madam must say, pass from Mosumaba. Now you see, we have called Judaland.
Sure.
Judaland. Meaning, say, California. President Jarvis Doma. President Rabbi, yeah, that one must see free up na ye bow na afen so
and Rasfrank so Bekobi.
Me call ye production room ye wo Augustina ho and ye wo Loretta ho and Kobe Frank and AJ Hips ni o mama kanu e dey out e program aba enti otuno ozo on the control cameras no e dey my on so production manager me din e de Samuel Kwabena da kon Nyankopon ya adoma da se ne e be san so ehia